Hey guys, it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'm going to be talking about my skincare routine. I know I shared a video already last year, but obviously things have changed. I've switched to different products and I would like to share it with you guys. Let me give you a little background. I traveled for a whole month and my skincare and my health were like all over the place. So I thought let's do something and let's get the skin to feeling rejuvenated and hydrated again. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be sharing some important tips that you could follow. Then I would also be sharing a few home remedies that work wonders, and then I'm going to be talking about this product that you could buy from the market. It's called the Olay Power Duo, and these are the two products that I use. I've been using this from the past 15 days. I actually took up the 28-day challenge and I'm religiously using it. So yes, that's about it. I'm going to be sharing how you could DIY your home remedies and get amazing glowing skin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So let's begin with our first home remedy. That's the overnight papaya face mask. Now I know that papayas stink and most of us don't really like papayas, but this fruit is amazing on your skin. I mean, it makes your skin glowy. It makes your skin less oily, especially if you have oily skin. What I usually do is after I've had a long tiring day, I put the mask on my face and then wash it off in the morning and ta-da! So this is how you make your face mask. Mash some papaya with a fork until you've created a pulp. Then wash your face and neck with warm water and apply the papaya mask like this. You can also apply this over your eyes and under, and it works wonders in reducing puffiness. Now let it dry for 15 minutes before going to sleep. And when you wake up, wash your face with warm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Now this one is great for your body. All you have to do is take some ground coffee and sugar in the ratio 1:2, add some coconut oil to it, scrub the exposed areas of your body with this mixture well, and then rinse it off. This helps in scrubbing away the dead skin cells, and the coffee helps reduce cellulite. Now a very important point here is mindful consumption. When your mom asked you to eat your greens, you should have listened to her. And if you didn't, listen to me right now, because you are what you eat, your skin is what you eat. So regular consumption of walnuts, fresh fruits, black raisins and types of fish, vegetable are very, very important for a glowy skin. Now obviously if you're a vegetarian, you wouldn't consume fish, so you could opt for cod liver oil supplements, which are very easily available at your medical store. A minimum of 3 liters of water in your system is very important. So depending on your level of physical activity, a minimum of 3 liters and above is what you should consume. Then your basics, avoiding oily food, avoiding sweet dishes are all important and all show on your skin. So be mindful of what you consume. And now finally comes the star of the show, that's the Olay Power Duo. Now I'm very skeptical about what goes onto my face, the creams I use, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know how particular I am about my skincare routine. I do not use or promote a lot of skincare items, but Olay came to me and introduced the Olay White Radiance Tone Perfecting Hydrating Essence and the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream Moisturizer, and I really didn't hesitate because firstly the brand name, secondly because all my friends are using it. I've heard a lot of reviews. I also did my research and I saw great reviews about this, so I thought why not give it a try. Then I also took up the 28-day skin challenge. Definitely seen a very good change in my skin. This is for real guys, because my skin feels really firm. It feels very soft at the same time and very, very fresher than usual, especially after the long trip that I've had. It only takes 5 minutes and I'm going to show you how it's done. On a clean face, first apply the Olay White Radiance Essence. Use the dropper to put the serum in your hand and then apply it on the face. This product is so versatile, it works to reduce dark spots. Wait a minute or two, let the skin absorb the essence, followed by the Regenerist Micro Sculpting Cream. Now also they are perfectly travel friendly, so I can slip this in my carry-on luggage and I have no issues at all. This one's like 30 ml and this is 50 grams. Now that we're done with the home remedies and the product, I'm going to give you a few tips that you could use on a daily basis, which have helped me and which are definitely going to help you out with great skin. Always sleep on a very clean pillow to prevent breakouts. Don't rub your face with a towel, but gently dab the water away. Don't just shampoo your hair, shampoo your makeup brushes too. Scrub your face only once or twice a week depending on the kind of skin you have, but make sure you scrub gently. Make sure you do not touch your face very often because you're touching so many dirty things throughout the day, especially your phone. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions regarding the home remedies or the product, let me know in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've tried the product yourself and what you think about it. Let me also know if you've tried the 28-day challenge and how this product has worked for you. I would want to know. So you definitely need to put in a little bit of effort when you want some good skin. So try these things out, and it's worked out for me, so 100% is going to work out for you as well. So if you like these tips, give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Bye.